G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo Warm Cheek up to a ripper of an episode. Been asked a question by Tommy. Tommy's asked me if he learns a trade in Australia or if you learn a trade in America, etc., such as carpentry, are you able to travel with it? Are you able to use that in other places? Yes, Tommy, you can. The beautiful thing about learning a trade is you can use it everywhere and anywhere. You just need to learn the ins and outs, the specifications of doing certain types of carpentry or structure in different areas. But that transcends across the entire industry. If you're working in commercial or residential, the same kind of thing. You have to understand what you're building and why you're building it. Thanks for sending through your question as well, Tommy. Really appreciate it, loved it. Any questions or queries out there, please flick them over. I'll answer them for you best I can, whenever I can. Like always, stay unreal, banana peels, and I'll see you in the suit.